Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're going to talk about
time signature, understanding of lines and
intervals. So, learning piano with fun activities. So, let's get started. Bar, lines, and measure. So, vertical black bars called bar lines divided the staff into measures. What does that mean, Lina?
what it means is that it has the line, so it separates the music instead of it just being like
Not the one line, right?
yeah, it's like it stops.
So, it's some comma and full stop.
Yeah, commas. You could say commas.
There are commas, so it makes more sense in music.
Stop.
In piano.
Stop. Stop.
Yeah.
Stop. Stop.
There you go. And the first measure is 4x4 time, and the second measure is in 3x4 times.
And the top one means how many notes there are. So 4, 4. Like on the top it says 4, right? So it would be 4 notes. Pretend that was all the notes. And then the bottom is 4.
4 means quarter note.
Yeah, 4 means quarter note.
And
then
another here.
4.
Yeah.
So it's quarter note. But then the 3 means 3 notes.
Yeah.
Example for those 3.
Yeah, here is a 4 quarter note and here is 3 quarter notes. So basically in top is like how many times and the bottom is the note. So if it's 4, it's a quarter note. If it's down 2, that is half note, and if it's down 1 is a full note. So time signature continue. So the first measure 4x4 contains 4 quarter notes. As you see, as you told, right, Lina? So down is a 4 quarter notes. Up
and it means 1x4. So, 1x4 is quarter note.
So 4x4 means 4 quarter notes.
Yeah.
Right?
And then
the second measure is 3x4 contains the 3 quarter notes.
And then it has 3 quarter notes, and then
that's
how quarter notes.
That's how it's written in the time signature. Right? Interesting. Let's see the next. So now it's 8th note. What does that mean, Lina?
8th note has a little flag at the end.
Yeah. There, which is this one.
And then there's a 16th note.
16th note.
And it's even smaller than the quarter notes. So it goes like the line, the dot, then.
Yeah, so we learned full note, half note, quarter note, and now its 8th note has a flag.
Yeah, and then
16th note has
2 flags.
Double flag. Right. The smaller note than a quarter note have a flag. Each flag halves the value of the note, as you said, right? Because 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay, let's continue more. So non-quarter note time signature. So 6x8 time contains 6 8th notes. So which is, this is treble, right?
Treble.
Treble flat. And then 6x8, which will be written
6 of 8th notes.
Which is the flag.
Yeah.
And then this one, 3x2 will be
like that.
3.
Oh yeah, and
3 quarter, 2 half notes. Sorry.
No, the 2 is half notes. By the way, if it's at the bottom.
Yes.
Instead of
very right. So which is here, we saw the example here. 3x2 will written in the time signature like this. Okay. So now all in one. So what we learn is 4x4, which is 4 times quarter note.
And this is 3x4, 3 quarter notes, and then 6x8. So the 6 8th note, and then 3x2. It's 3 half notes.
There you go. Very true. The chart display all the time signature that we have discussed. So
I'll play them all.
Okay, here, one more is here. You can play here.
I'll play that.
So practice time, Lina. So
Oops.
you are
So
instructing
starts
the
at A.
count aloud. 1, 2, 3, 4 with
1, 2, 3, 4.
each number corresponding to the beat.
Okay, let me do it.
Oh yes. 1. Yeah. Did you notice? It has divided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you are trying to practice, Lena, can you please also say which note you are playing?
Okay. So I'm gonna play A.
Yeah, with loud 1, 2, 3, 4.
What?
Yeah, with loud like.
Oh. That's
Two.
No, but it's not the full note.
That's fine.
Okay.
Say 1, 2,
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's okay.
It's not fourth.
That's fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
wait, let me just restart it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1,
2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3. Very nice.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. So time is signature has divided into the parts, which makes music more pleasant, right? So accent mark, there is an accent mark which is greater than, above or below each note, indicating that the note should be played with the emphasis or a bit louder. So it's go 2, 3, 4.
Oh, I put a little song right now.
Yeah.
And then you would repeat it to finish the song.
So now we have practiced the 3/4 time signature.
Yep.
So as you play the notes, count loud 1, 2, 3 with each number.
Okay, yeah, I know.
Okay?
1, 2,
3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
That was the end of my piano from music.
So more practice, more you memorize. There you go. That's all. So we learned some note time signature, how it plays in the piano. So keep practicing, and remember, what is the key? Consistency is a key, and make your practice tidy.
Yeah.
And hope you enjoyed the video and learn piano with Lena and me.
Yeah.
Okay, keep learning. Bye. Have a good day.